Hi, this is Bill Boyer. I'm with MantelMount here at CEDIA 2019. What we're looking to show you today is the MM860, our newest automated robotic mount. For any high mount location, not just above a mantel, this will come out and clear 21 inches and then drop 32. It comes with a RF remote out of the box, but it will also work with any of these control systems. IR, RF, or IP. There's an IP server on board. And you'll see as it comes down and gets to 90 degrees, it will start to tilt because it has two presets on the generic remote, down and to the left and down and to the right. All of these movements can be adjusted. If you don't want that much movement because of objects or the mantle happens to be very large, you can reduce the amount of swivel or reduce the amount of drop based on the situation. You can see that the electronics are on the arm structure. It's easier to access, easier to service. It has an IP server on board, so you can address it through your laptop wirelessly or whatever device you're working with. You can also have, there's an Ethernet jack, RS-232 connection, or you can do dry contacts. Holds up to about 130 pounds. We're not showing the soundbar in this application, but a soundbar attachment is included in the kit, and the total weight load can be up to 130 pounds. From an installation standpoint, there's multiple ways to install this unit. The box itself is 5mm, very heavy-duty steel. So in those unusual situations where the stud is inconveniently located right in the middle, you can actually cut the stud out and use the box in lieu of the stud. There are cross braces including to span over to the other studs. We also include in the box the angle iron to make your own box. And also in a surface mount application, we have a dressing kit so that you don't see the flange on the outside, and this is a paintable steel.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.